Ting ting. Hello, Wilmington. Oh my goodness, we're going for a ride. You ride fixed gear? Well, why not? I was told there'd be beer.
Next year I'm gonna have another band. I don't know if I'm a little bit, but not.
Hey, another successful group ride, huh?
Look at that. I forgot to even start my watch.
Nice, nice.
Barely.
We just only want a little bit.
I think we got more people than last time. I had some complaints last time that we didn't do enough crazy alleys, so I threw a couple in this time. So it'll be a little bit more fun. Some sweet downhills for my man right here. Let's wait after the motorcycle.
Oh.
Maybe. All right,
That's how you do me all the time. Just stop right in front of me, bro.
Rolling.
Rolling.
One time, really.
Okay, here we go.
Bike's looking good.
Yeah, I just got the handlebars and the brakes done last night, finally. Oh, this is cool.
Looks good.
Oh, this is cool. What the fuck? Like, where am I, bro? I didn't even know this stuff existed.
I appreciate everyone coming out, especially down to Jacksonville. It makes me feel good that I went to Jacksonville.
Yeah. Appreciate this weather.
Yeah, I know.
Jeez,
we were gonna get a little shower.
I thought so too.
Right turn.
Right turn. No flats allowed.
That's the illegal part.
Oh man. Sketchy.
Yeah.
Oh, the gravel.
Said they wanted more off-road stuff.
So there you go. You got your gravel. That's it.
That was all the exciting part right
That's
there.
it. Oh, how fitting.
Yeah, this is a special pedal. Ernie works here sometimes too, but they got some special needs kids that work here.
Okay.
It's all non-profit.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, I never knew it existed. I'll check that out.
Yeah,
So-
I figured you had done that, like
Yeah, this is my little, oh, I love this thing. This is what got me started, actually. Yeah,
like my town bike for the most part.
yeah.
I almost brought it today.
Yeah, I love that 90s era.
Yeah.
It definitely, even riding around, you can tell the difference, but
Oh yeah.
what brought you to start this ride?
I was president of Cape Fear Sorba for 6 years.
Okay.
And then kind of got out of it for a little bit. And then people were like, oh, we want to do a downtown ride. And I was like, man, I love this kind of ride.
Yeah.
So just decided to do it. I do one a year,
Uh-huh.
but we just kind of took that concept and just shrunk it down a little bit and made it into a monthly ride.
Yeah.
And that's still gonna happen.
Yeah.
Mhm.
This might turn into that.
Okay. Interesting. Wow. We are not in Jacksonville.
I hope my hat stays on. On your right. On your right. Oh my God. Oh shit. No brakes. Oh my goodness.
But yeah, so I was toying around with different things for years, you know, like the Shirley Sunrise.
Yeah, it's unbelievable what they're doing out here.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
I mean, just in like 10 years.
So you lived here before?
In Jacksonville.
Okay.
So, yeah, you know. Yeah.
What was your name?
I'm Will.
Will. Noah, nice meeting you.
Noah, pleasure.
Yeah. I'll see you on the trail someday, probably.
Yeah. Yeah, we have a little bike group as well, a little Facebook group, and we ride Jacksonville. Sometimes we'll ride Wilmington, New Bern, all over really.
But you mostly like street sort of this kind of bike?
It's whatever we're feeling. The road bike, I got a gravel as well. Sometimes we just take the mountain bikes out.
Yeah. I mean, a mountain bike's around town, like going down staircases and stuff.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all, yeah.
Some of my friends live in Greenville.
Yeah.
Mountain bikes.
Yeah, I ride the new trails there, the dirt jumps. There used to be the bicycle post trails, but it's closed down
Been
now.
up there yet?
Yeah.
That new bike park.
Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing.
Wildwood's pretty smooth.
Wildwood is great.
Yeah. We could probably
So
They have everything.
track. I like the alley cat style challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
we got a bunch of bikers coming through here. How you doing?
I was keeping up on Facebook.
Excuse us.
Yeah, it's nice in there.
You ride fixed gear? Well, why not?
Hey, coming down this hill right here, when you get to the bottom, there's a little lip going over the bridge. If you catch it just right, you can get some air.
Huh. I'm surprised I was.
On this sidewalk here.
I'm surprised I was in the air so long.
Yeah, this is fun right here. Be careful with the branches hanging out. But everyone wanted to do this kind of stuff. So let's do it.
Ah, cool.
Will?
Hey.
Tree tried to kill me.
That'd be good to bed your brakes in.
A little tight.
Yeah, yeah.
Haha. Nice spot. This is where you go when your girl dumps you. You go sit over there next to the water for a little bit. My first ride, I was having a lot of problems. I was on like 10 pounds of air.
Oh.
So there was like no air in my tires.
That don't make it.
I'm just like, I told Dave, I was like, y'all let me walk out of here with no air in my tires. And then I rode freaking 15 miles like that. But I upgraded the rear shock.
Oh, nice. Longer travel?
Be honest with you, I don't know why, I just know it's better.
Just have the shock.
Dave, from his S-Works or whatever, he upgraded the shock, so I got his old one.
Oh, cool.
But I don't know anything about nothing, but it looks cooler. Well, honestly, it felt like it rode better when I went to the park this last ride.
He says it's better than...
Oh, I know it's better. But now I want to get a new fork. So, you know.
It's never ending.
It is. It's like a Jeep. Well, it's got that, what do they call it? The Kaz something? It's like a gold color. Kashima, yeah. I'm on the Kashima fix now, man. I need more Kashima on my bike.
They should just like bottle that so you can just like paint it on.
Yeah, for real. Look at this guy.
There's Mario.
Oh man, that thing's sick.
Big stair set. Hell yeah.
Holy. It's a little too steep for me.
She's off duty. Yeah, I want to do it. You jump.
Awesome. Thank you. Too many skaters that can go down. Even if
He wasn't gonna do that. Sing and do, I did it, oh, did it, do. I just put it together last night. I'm getting used to these bars, but it definitely makes the wheelies a little easier. Oh yeah, I seen that. They're doing an investigation right now in the basement. Damn, that's crazy. These guys on the e-bikes. Ah! Left! And if I would have known we've been in all these alleys, I would have brought some weed. Hello.
That's fun.
Oh, sick. Beautiful color.
Yeah, I remember stopping here when the ghost.
Ting ting. Hello, Wilmington. Ah! Yeah, I'm good at that. Good at failing. Pizza everywhere. Sure, we could definitely work together in the future and get some big rides. I was told there'd be beer.
That's where you came, right?
Yeah, bike life. Live to ride. Ride to live.
More?
Oh, horse shit.
Yeah, horse shit.
Horse shit. Yeah, let me, I'm gonna go take it wide myself.
So that's how old I am, dude.
What are you feeding that thing? Jeez.
They are, dude. They're very smart, too. People make fun of them, but donkeys are badass animals.
Who?
Donkeys.
Oh, donkeys.
Donkeys will jack up like wolves and coyotes and stuff, too.
Oh, yeah?
Everybody wants my family. They got a full size, a half bike.
Smoke them if you got them.
How you doing?
Holy shit.
Button off a guy is
Mike, does anyone notice the 36-inch bike?
Yep.
That's crazy, man.
What? Oh my.
Next year I'm gonna have another van. I don't know if I'm a little bit, but not like.
They gotta blame Stump. They gotta blame Stump.
God, I still can't believe it. Wow, dude.
That's the guy I bought my fat bike from.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
Just talking about that. Oh,
Got your beer.
one more.
You just got a fresh beer, didn't you?
Oh, you got a second one.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
You look like you could chug.
Don't worry. Yeah.
All right, last call.
Oh, I can get one more then. We got 5 minutes. Oh man, it feels so good.
Like a totally different experience. You should see Carolyn. Hers is like there's a rat.
Oh, it's a bat. Yeah, I know, dude. I'm so hungry.
All right, rolling. Keep going, don't stop.
Oh, we got a Christmas tree up there.
That's an old firehouse.
Oh yeah.
Turned it into like an event space now.
We're going back home this way. Oh. Hey, hey, oh, ow. Said I was on my phone. Didn't see y'all, sorry. Oh, we're here. Holy shit. That was fast. Oh, look at this. It's Mr. Miyagi's car. I think that's the point, right? Oh. Oh. Hey, another successful group ride, huh?
Look at that. I forgot to even start my watch.
Nice.
Barely.
All right, thank you guys. I hope you had fun. Yes, sir. There's food in there. There's beer in there.
Food, beer, eh?
Thanks again.
Yeah,
Till next time.
Thanks for making it down again.
Next one's on my birthday, October 10th.
Are you guys out of here?
Well, we will not go. Let's make sure not to ride that day.
I don't have a lot.
Just playing. I'm just playing with you, Tom.
I know.
I'm gonna put it right up against this wall.
Well, I guess that's it. I guess, yeah. If he's
Yeah, either the party's over or the party just begun.
Look at this. That's something I would have did in high school. Had a picture of me and my girlfriend.
Well, because I was talking to Jamie, and she was like, yeah, actually, we need to like try to claim we're from here, but they moved here.
I love that front window. What is this, Mike?
No idea.
That is cool, though. Sticker expired. I do miss that about chickens, or even my dog. Because like when I would make the kids lunch in the morning for school or whatever, I could like the crust from the bread and stuff, just sweep it on the floor and the dog would eat it.
The whole world.
Cats don't do that. I think he has some cheese sticks hidden under there. Quick access.
Actually for a cat, I think.
Oh, okay. Something that was
Yeah, you
repurposed.
can get into that.
Okay, I didn't even know these guys were carnivores.
Oh yeah. Actually, they're omnivores.
Yeah.
They eat everything.
That's good. Omnivores are good.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, Adam. He loves bananas and watermelon.
Hi-Wire.
See if he'll drink some beer.